Write the following vectors as sum of scalar multiples of vector u and vector v. So let's find out what is sum of scalar multiples. Some scalar multiples we already know they will expressed by using vector u and vector v. For example, about the vector gh is right side, so direction is right, and magnitude is 2. So we can say this is 2 vector because it's the same vector v, because it's the same direction of vector v. Vector v has direction of right and magnitude is 1. That's why we can express this way, and this is called scalar multiple. But why do we need the sum of scalar multiple? What happened? So this question is want to know what happened when you when you added two vectors. So for understanding about addition of vectors, we need to know one rule. One rule, some rules, which is named triangle law, and another one is parallelogram law. Let me explain about these laws briefly. So triangle law is if there's two vectors, vector A and vector V, and there will be another vector like connecting these two vectors. This is vector C, and in that case we can say vector A plus vector B is same as vector C. And parallelogram law is similar too. It's a vector A is here and vector B is here. If and this is same a vector B, and this is same vector A. My drawing skill is issue, but this is gonna be like this way. So this is vector C. In this case, we can say vector A plus vector V is vector C. So some of scalar multiple wanted to express this way. So let's see example. Let's find the first one to understand easily. So there is vector G, vector GD. G is here, D is here. So let's find out what is scalar multiples first. Scalar multiples in this way, and magnitude is 3. So right direction and magnitude is 3, and go upper direction and 1, 2, 3. The direction is upward and magnitude is 3. So it means there is 3 v vector v and 3u vector u, and that's it. That's what question 1 to find out. So we can keep going. Vector g j. So down. So this is opposite direction of u, and magnitude is 2, and opposite direction of vector v, and also magnitude is 3. So since this is opposite direction, we have to put negative 2 and vector u plus minus, because it's also negative direction of vector v, so we can write down negative 3 vector v. Keep going. Next one is vector j and g. J is here, g is here. So it's the same thing, only starting point is different. So go right, so same direction of vector v and magnitude 3, same direction of the vector u and magnitude 2. So it is same as 3 vector plus vector v plus 2 vector u. Next one is vector k and l. K is here, L is here. So right direction, make this 1. Opposite of u direction, downward, and magnitude is 2. So we can say there's a vector v and negative 2 u, vector u. Vector a, j. A is here, j is here. So opposite direction of u and magnitude is 5. And opposite direction of v and magnitude is 1. So we can say negative 5 u vector u and negative vector v. Next one is vector bc. B is here, c is here, right 2 and upper 2. So right side 2, up side 2. So it's all same thing. So 2 vector u plus 2 vector v. That's it. For the vector EC, E is here, C is here, right direction 1, upper direction is 3. So right direction is 1, upper direction is 3. So 1 vector V plus 3 vector U. And last one, vector CE. C is here, E is here. So opposite side U is 3 magnitude, and opposite side of vector V is 1. So it's going to be negative 3 vector U, negative vector V.